Welcome travelers, another flight, another trip report. Thank you for joining me on today's journey to Rome Ciampino Airport. I'm currently in Nuremberg and my Ryanair flight FR8317 is already 15 minutes delayed. I paid around 10 euros for this flight to Rome, and this is a price only Ryanair is able to offer. At this time, security check is very empty, and it took only about 5 minutes to pass. It's not my first time flying from Nuremberg, and I still can say that this airport is in a very good shape and I love to fly from here. My gate was at the other end of the airport, but nevertheless I could reach it within 3 minutes. My plane for today is a 7-year-old Boeing 737-800 and it is equipped with the old Ryanair cabin. I had to walk through snow to get to my aircraft, which is a bit annoying.
Ladies and gentlemen, currently over the GoPro is an store your cabin luggage in overhead locker provide underneath the seat in front of you. Quick reception only for the passengers that will occupy emergency exit row. Spanning with C16, 17 go to the F.
I am sitting on 12E today and the legroom is quite okay. Weather isn't that nice, but wait until we reach Italy.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, your captain speaking. My name is Anshman, flight deck first officer. Once again, Fisher, you're all welcome aboard this flight to Rome Ciampino. We're almost ready to go. We're just doing the last minute.
Will impede your exit. Further information may be found in the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. You are captain in the panel above your head. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now. Laptops must be stowed in cabin baggage under the seat in front of you or in the strap around your waist, clip at the front and secure as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Please now ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds open. We recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. There is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight.
Most of Ryanair's prices are okay, but I think it's not fair that you have to pay 3 euros for a bottle of water even as a low-cost carrier. You probably wouldn't expect, but the seat was quite comfy. It wasn't reclinable, but for a short-haul flight it's totally okay. Sadly, some parts of this plane weren't in a good condition, and this is definitely better in Ryanair's NUE-CIA interior cabin. There's not that much to show you of a Ryanair flight. It was an average low-cost flight. After 1 hour on a cruising altitude, we were descending into Rome Ciampino airport.
So, die blockiert uns gerade unsere Parkposition. Deswegen müssen wir warten, bis die dann losrollen und uns den Weg frei machen. Dauert jetzt wahrscheinlich noch so um die 5 Minuten. Danke für eure Geduld.
As I already said, this flight was okay. The Ryanair crew was friendly but very stressed out. Anyways, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.